stuff I can pee into is set it back there. Take a piss and then go right to what I'm doing. I'm going that way. Gotta be committed to it. Stop somewhere and go to the bathroom, but I don't know where it's open this time of night because of COVID. So why don't we, then I'm going to have to pee. It's going to be right here. You're going to let me in or it's going to be a mess for you. I can't go any further. I don't have anything to pee in unless I don't even have a bag I can pee into. This right here. I'm going to need to find a 24-hour gas station that is willing to let me use the restroom. I'm going to have to go right now. Yeah, I'm going to have to find a place to go. Let's. I gotta find a place in private for me. I think it's not. Okay, so we're going to have to. I'm hoping that, no, they're not. They're a COVID closer. I might have to just find a place and see if I could close the door and just pee out the door. Or lay down in the back and tilt myself up to the door and pee out the door. Because I don't want to expose myself. We have to give it up because the bathroom is calling. Where's a place that's open to use the bathroom right now? Then I'm going to have you let me go ahead and let it out. So I'm going to have you let me let it out. Yep, because I'm out looking for a friend's vehicle. So I'm going to need to stop right here real quick and see if there's anything open where I can go in and use the restroom. It's not going to let me. I'm going to have to just go. Yep, I'm going to have to stop and go to the back for me. I need to find a place. Please don't look. I'm going to have to go to the bathroom. If there's no place open, I'm going to have to just go where we're at. So I can't get that out of the spot. I might have to dump that out. I'd have to just do it right here. Just go turn everything off and get everything out. We're going to have to suck it out. We're going to have to just go right here. Yep, I don't have a choice, folks. Yep, we're going to have to just go right here. Because the urine's not letting me wait. Come on, let's go. If we have to clean the car, we can clean it. But when I have to go, I have to go. I had to pee right. I had to pee in because I had to stop and pee into this.